Hey guys, so I am downstairs doing this quick unboxing. I got my Glow Addict skincare box. I've already opened it, so it's right here. Glow Addict, if you guys have questions about it, it is $24.99 a month. And I think you get between 4 to 5 items. One, two, three, four. Right. Yeah, 4 to 5 items a month in the skincare box. This is what it looks like right now. I actually just started the skincare box just last month. I'm really excited about it. Their skincare items that they pick out for us is amazing. I mean, I have a skincare routine already, so I mean, trying new skincare things is very important to me. Sorry. But yeah, if you guys are interested in getting their box, it is a very good way to like try new things and like for your skincare routine. So hopefully you like this live. If you guys want to see more lives like this, let me know. I was doing unboxings on my YouTube channel, and I download my videos from here to put onto my YouTube channel. But this is our Glow Addict, or the Glow Addict box, for $24.99 a month. If you guys want to see more of these unboxings that's not just pharmacy related, I can do that for you guys, because I'm obsessed with subscription boxes. Hopefully one of these days with pharmacy I can actually not have to worry about paying for the subscription boxes through my paycheck that I get every 2 weeks. But with pharmacy, maybe I can earn enough money and I can get my my boxes paid for by that. Alright, so here it is. My first thing I'm going to grab is the Botanical Facial Steam. I don't know. So this is a gorgeous bouquet of vibrant, balancing, soothing, and reparative botanicals for deep downpour purification and cellular hydration. Oh no. George has hiccups. So this is what I got in this box. I have no idea what it's for. Okay, so how to use it: put it in a bowl, cover a small handful of herb with boiled water, allow to cool slightly, and place towel overhead to create steam tent. Breathe deeply and enjoy 5 to 15 minutes. Strain resulting tea to enhance bath. So I got this. It's kind of nice. Alright, so my next thing is by Grace and Stella. The only drama I enjoy is in my lashes. So this is a lash serum. It's a natural eyelash growth serum. Ooh, and look at that. It has all like the goods in here. Like literally, it's amazing. I'm excited to use that. Oh, jeez. You got tears going down your eyes, big guy. Hi. let go of the necklace. Maybe I should not be wearing necklaces around this guy right now. Alright. Alright, so I got Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil as a daily hydration milk mask. And it's with coconut milk and osseous and blah 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 blah. And then it's cruelty free. It's a family owned product, certified organic, like all that stuff. And it comes in like a really big bottle. Literally, you guys, we get like products that are full-size products, so that's kind of nice about that. Okay, I got this facial cleansing sponge by Kala. So I'm excited to try this. It's a facial cleansing sponge. So I dampen the sponge under lukewarm water. Add your favorite cleanser to desired side and gently scrub in circular motions. Rinse sponge and leave to air dry. Ooh, so I can continuously use this thing. Sweet freaking beans, man. Yeah. Alright, and I got 3 little masks. I got a purifying 2-in-1 charcoal mask. Ooh. I got a firming magnetic clay mask. And then a vitamin C brightening bentonite clay mask. So all 3 of these things are clay masks. I'm kind of excited to try these. I might end up trying these today or something. I mean, I don't really have anything to do other than just like I gotta do my postings. I gotta do. I still have to do my live. I'll be posting my recorded video. If you guys have questions about my pharmacy products, let me know. I still even have products as well. Like I have this one. This is the Nude Essence. This is my favorite lip. I'm actually wearing it right now. Not the best way. Not the best, but yeah. So I'm gonna try to help this guy get rid of his hiccups. If you guys have questions about the Glow Addict box, let me know. I really enjoy their boxes. I should be getting their XL box either maybe this week or next week. Who freaking knows? You know, like. But I'm gonna help this guy. I feel like this guy has allergies too. His eye waters. Yeah. See, look at this cute face. This is why I want to continue on my makeup journey. This is why. This dude right here, I want to be home for him. Yes. Alright, let me know if you guys have questions about any of my products that I use, anything at all, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.